Hi Abdi, this is ournews.co.uk. Did you ken that Scots can be used for serious things? Ken, it's not just for doing it at a pub or kind of anything like that. You can actually hear articles about what's going on in Scotland in Scots. In Scotland we have a lot of researchers doing good research. We have things going on, about strikes, Scottish water. We have the government doing good things, with improving our renters and getting the mayor rights. There's all sorts of things going on across Scotland that are worth caring about in Scots. So this is fit I've done with creating your news. So you can come along here, get an article in your preferred sort of type of Scots. So I'm a Doric speaker, and I just couldn't put up with reading Stonert Scots. It's just nae I speak. So ilka articles in Doric. Again, Steens tell secrets ancient wildfires. So you can come along here and read an article like this. Again, there's lots of good things in here, saying just in Braid Doric and fit why name Braid Doric, because, and if anything's nae richt, just let me ken, we'll update the articles, and that'll mark all the tools that we're using, because we're a modern company where we're actually building AI to help with a translation. At the moment, most of this is done myself, so say if I just stare at this article, this isn't the AI that's doing this. I've had to do this myself, but if it will happen every time, as the AI will be able to do this for me. So we'll be able to do more articles, just with a better pace. But so scientists in Scotland have uncovered a groundbreaking technique for analysing charcoal, shedding light on wildfires at Brint a Yard millions of years syne. This innovative method, developed by geoscientists for the University of Aberdeen and fire engineers for the University of Edinburgh, promises to broaden our understanding of wildfires during both past and present climate shifts. So again, we can speak about anything we want in Braid Doric. If anybody doesn't ken the word yard here, it's because you ken things that are yarded, been mucky, get clarted with earth, English word for it, but yard is a word that the Scots Language Centre pits as a word for the planet Earth. So so come along to your news. Let's what you think about it, and there's more coming along here, and Phil be doing is regular reading out the articles, and getting other folk to help with the reading out and so just we'll come along and let us what you think.